In this video, we will go over our paper IPO-Mine, a toolkit and dataset for section-structured analysis of long, multimodal IPO documents. To begin trading on public markets, a company must file an initial public offering, abbreviated IPO, with the SEC, disclosing detailed information about its business operations, financial condition, and risk exposure. IPO filings play a critical role in shaping investor expectations, regulatory oversight, and capital allocation, particularly as retail participation in IPO markets grows and increasingly influences demand, pricing, and share allocations. IPO filings are long and multimodal. Filings frequently exceed 500,000 tokens and combine text, tables, and figures. This makes filings hard to analyze. End-to-end processing with LLMs is both computationally expensive and empirically unreliable, as section ordering and formatting vary widely across issuers and years. There is also no IPO human annotated benchmarks for section extraction and image classification. Towards solving this problem, we introduced IPO Toolkit. It is an open-source Python framework built on the SEC Edgar API for scalable, structure-aware extraction of text and images. Using the toolkit, we built IPO Dataset, which contains over 109,000 filings from 1994 to 2026, with section-aligned text and over 76,000 classified images. Using the dataset, we built a benchmark suite of human annotated tasks for section extraction and image classification. We also provide a disclosure analysis of textual and visual disclosure trends, including a quantitative evaluation of misleading visual features across industries. To build the dataset, we start from over 20,000 unique initial filings. We extract 76,000 images, of which over 2,000 are human annotated. Every image and section is linked back to its source filing and metadata, including accession number, filing date, and industry code. The section-aligned text was created using the following workflow. Stage 1 downloads filings from SEC Edgar. Stage 2 extracts the issuer-provided table of contents to identify section names and page numbers. Stage 3 extracts the sections. It then validates section extraction using deterministic checks and an LLM validator, followed by targeted human review. We created the image dataset using the following workflow. First, human annotators label a small dataset across 5 mutually exclusive classes: charts, infographics, logos, maps, and other. Second, we fine-tune a YOLO model on these annotations to classify images across the full corpus. Third, an ensemble of multimodal LLMs verifies the chart predictions and structured visual features, such as 3D effects, dual axes, and whether the y-axis starts at 0, are extracted via majority voting. On a manual review of over 2,000 predicted charts, human annotators confirmed 98.6% as valid charts. We also studied how disclosures evolve over time. On the left, lexical diversity, measured by type token ratio, is stable or declining across sections, with the steepest drop in legal matters, consistent with increasing templated language. In the middle, semantic diversity actually increases over time, again most notably in legal matters, where filings become more linguistically uniform, yet conceptually broader. On the right, image type diversity rises steadily. Both charts and infographics become more structurally diverse. The next thing we study is misleading charts. They can distort interpretation through truncated axes, disproportionate scaling, dual y-axes, and 3D effects. We construct a stratified sample of over 1,000 charts spanning 9 industries. Each chart is rated by 3 expert annotators on a 5-point scale, from 1 highly accurate to 5 highly misleading. We also evaluate 5 multimodal models. Each is tested under 2 regimes: direct prompting, where the model scores straight from the image, and chain of thought prompting, where a region-aware prompt directs attention to axes, scaling, legends, and perspective before producing a score. Chain of thought improves alignment in the all industry column. This is consistent with misleading chart benchmarks, showing that reasoning guidance can improve alignment with human judgments. To conclude, we present an open source toolkit and dataset for section structured, multimodal analysis of over 109,000 IPO filings from 1994 to 2026, with more than 76,000 classified images. Our analysis reveals a growing modality gap. Text becomes more standardized over time, while visual content becomes more structurally diverse. On our benchmark, state-of-the-art models often diverge from expert human judgments on chart misleadingness, exposing alignment challenges in multimodal reasoning over long, real-world regulatory documents. If you want to learn more about the IPO-Mine paper, our codebase is available online. Thank you for your time.